Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes. Today on Sunday. Yes. Sunday, May the 14th, 2022. 2023. We have in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. Two puzzles left in this puzzle page. The One Star Sudoku. It's indicated with 3 stars. And the binary puzzle. I will solve also the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition and also the Samurai Sudoku. So a lot of puzzles to solve. But let me start with this one. Yes. Sudoku with 1 star number 6432. And before I start, yeah, I always count up printed digits. Told you 27 printed digits. So it should be a 1 star. For a 1 star puzzle, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. We have 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be now. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the master 1. 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes and here. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the last row, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the first column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. And now. Yeah. 4. Come on. Now it's interesting. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Can I mean 8? Can I mean 8? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Here can I mean 8 because we have 8 in this column. Third column, no 8 there. Here can I mean 8 because we have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. And here can I mean 8 because we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 in this row should be there. Alright, 8, 8 now. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 7, 7. 7. Now. What a 4. 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1. Okay. Well, we have a pair. We have a 1 and 8 in the last row. 1 and 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Alright. Then, let me see. 7. 7. No 7 here. Oh, yeah. We have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright, here we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column and the 4 in the middle column. So the 4 and the 7 cannot be in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Alright. So 2 missing numbers now. For the numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 7. Well, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Alright. So here we have a... Oh, no. Not a pair, okay. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9, should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3 and 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1. In this third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. Okay. 4, 7, 5. Then, let me see. So 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 9, okay. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in second column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row. 4 the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 the 7, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. Definitely a 1-star puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.